Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Dropship.io, formerly Dropship Spy, my product finding review. Dropship.io, formerly Dropship Spy, is a product research tool designed for e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly those using the dropshipping business model. It aims to help users find trending products to sell online, providing data on sales, competition, and supplier information. Key features seem to include product databases, competitor analysis, and supplier connections. Their website provides details on the various pricing plans and features offered. They emphasize the ease of use of their platform, promising to simplify the product research process. While pricing details are available on their site, they position the service as a valuable investment for dropshippers looking to gain an edge. The platform utilizes data analytics and trend tracking to identify potentially profitable products. Availability appears to be worldwide, as it's a web-based service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Dropship.io. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I signed up for a free trial on their website and quickly gained access to the platform. Navigating the interface was intuitive, and I was able to start searching for products almost immediately. I used their database filtering to narrow down products based on categories, sales trends, and competition levels. I even explored the competitor analysis tool, which provided valuable insights into other dropshippers' strategies. I was particularly impressed by the product database feature, which showcased a wide variety of trending products, along with their supplier information. The data seemed quite comprehensive, showing sales trends, Facebook ad examples, and even profit margins. The platform performed well, with fast loading times and no noticeable glitches during my testing. I did have a quick question about their subscription plans, and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the interface felt a bit cluttered at times, making it slightly challenging to find specific information quickly. Also, some of the advanced filtering options felt a little complex initially, but I got the hang of it after exploring the tutorials they offered. The standout feature for me was definitely the competitor analysis tool, allowing me to quickly understand the competitive landscape for specific products. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Dropship.io. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs for product research and helped me identify some promising product ideas. That's my overview of Dropship.io, formerly Dropship Spy. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.